Good morning, so today's Wednesday and it's currently 7 a.m. and I thought I'd film a day in the life living in Aberdeen. But before we get started, I quickly wanted to introduce myself. So my name's Marisa, I'm 22, I am half Scottish, half Greek. I've been living in Aberdeen, Scotland for the last 4 years and recently graduated with an international tourism management degree at Robert Gordon University. And during that time, I also studied abroad in Finland for a semester and did my internship in California for a year, which is what made me want to travel more, especially solo, and made me realize that it's possible to travel on a budget and without a car, just using like public transport and everything. So I'm really excited to be collaborating with some other YouTube channels that are also all about travel and living abroad and studying abroad. So I'll leave the playlist down below so you can check their videos out as well. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go and eat some breakfast and then head to the gym. So I just came back from the gym. I'm gonna quickly have a shower and then have my second breakfast and then just work for a few hours. Hi, so I thought I'd share with you a little bit what I've been up to the past few hours with work and everything. So I was teaching English for a few hours in the other room. I teach English online with a app called Palfish, and there's little Chinese kids, and it's basically I kind of choose my own hours and everything, and it's all done on my phone. I just have a tripod, and I won't get too into it because I've talked about it in other videos as well. But if you do have any questions about Palfish or anything, definitely message me on Instagram, or you can comment down below and I'll answer everything. Also, I just finished my media kit, so I'm really excited. It's basically I send it to brands, or when brands are wanting to collaborate, sometimes they ask about like my analytics and different numbers and everything for like my audience, where they're from, age groups and everything. Okay, so I just finished work now. I'm just gonna get changed and then go for lunch with a friend, and then we're gonna do a little day trip. So I'm really excited. I'll take you along with me, and after that I'll work for a few more hours, and I think later on I'm going out for a few drinks. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure yet. So it's currently 5 p.m, so I'm going to work for a few more hours and then get ready and go out. So I just got home a little while ago, and I'm just updating my blog and also my website. So I actually sell my presets for Lightroom online for $9.99 currently, and it's for mobile and desktop. So you can basically edit your photos on Lightroom for like with literally just one click, and it applies like, it's basically like a filter for photos. And yeah, so I was just updating them and just making sure everything was okay with the website. So basically I'll actually show you on my phone. Sorry. I'll just get okay. So you can like see before, after. I'll just put it here so you can see it better. Before, after. This is like, for example, my moody preset. So this is before and then after. So it has basically 15 different presets. This is the sunset one, so before and after. And yeah, so you can find it on my website, so I'll link that down below in the description box. Okay, so I'm just about to leave. I'm going to meet my friend Zizi, and we're going to go to Rev de Cuba for dinner and some drinks. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen her in so long because she went back home to Bulgaria for a few weeks. So yeah, we're just going to catch up, and also Rev de Cuba is one of our favourite places.